Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can speak little, ma'am.
Okay, please speak louder because I cannot clearly hear you. Are you a
Yes,
100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I don't have, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, 100%, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I'm agree.
What is your name?
My name is Rovelende Kinan.
Do you have passport?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm 40 years old.
40.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your status? Are you single, married, or divorced, widow?
I'm single, but I have a live-in partner.
How many children do you have?
I have two children.
How old?
Uh, the elder is 20, and the second is 10.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is November 20, 1984.
What is your height and your weight?
My weight is 54 kilogram and my height is 52.
What is your religion?
My religion is Catholic.
What is your educational background?
My school graduate.
High school graduate. So you mentioned that you got live-in partner. Is this your children's father?
Sorry, ma'am?
Your live-in partner is your children's father?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how old is he and what is his occupation?
His occupation is carpenter.
How old
And
is he?
41 years old.
Okay, did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have 4 brother and 2 sister.
What is your rank in your family?
Um,
Are you the eldest, the second, the third, the fourth,
I'm the 5th.
or the fifth? What about your
Yes.
parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My parent occupation is um, um farmer, and my mother is housewife.
What about your father?
Farmer,
How old?
65 years old.
Okay, do you have any is this your first time working abroad?
Uh, I'm ex-abroad.
XOFW. In which place in which country?
Muscat, Oman.
Oman. How many years you work there?
I have 3 years.
What year did you started working there and what year did you finish working there?
October 29, 2021, and to June 20, 2024.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment in Oman?
My my duties and responsibilities is washing clothes, cleaning, ironing, and gardening.
Did you cook there?
No, ma'am.
Did you take care of children, infant, or any elderly or bedridden
No, ma'am.
patient? No. So in other words, you do house chores only.
Yes.
So do you have any is there another helper or are you alone inside the house?
I have another helper.
How many total family members is your employer before?
4 members.
For family. What happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue working to this employer?
I finished contract.
Sorry?
I finished contract, ma'am.
Yeah, you finished contract, but why is it you didn't continue working to this employer?
Only extend, ma'am.
Sorry?
Only extend.
So you extend only.
Yes.
Okay, so being an OFW is not new for you, okay? You already got experience in Oman and you know that you need to be flexible and you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready. 100%.
Okay, are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Filipino food, ma'am.
But are you willing to learn some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs, cats, rabbits, snakes?
No, ma'am.
No, are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened when you decided to go back to work in other countries again? Why you didn't want to stay in the Philippines?
Sorry, ma'am.
Why you decided to go and work abroad again? Why you don't want to stay in the Philippines rather?
Because I need to support my kids, my children.
What about in the Philippines? You don't have any opportunity in the Philippines?
Mm, uh, sorry. Low salary.
Low salary. So you will going to sign a 2 years contract, same like what you did in Oman, okay? Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right? You were the one who wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. Okay, so you must know what will be the consequences once you break your contract, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you handle your homesickness knowing that you will be working quite far away from your family?
I will focus my responsibilities and I make busy myself.
Okay, are you aware that in usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time?
Sorry,
are you
ma'am.
aware of it?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you aware that you cannot hold your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day?
It's okay, ma'am.
And you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work.
Yes, ma'am.
On your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay inside the employer's house only. But if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay or no?
I'm okay, ma'am.
Yeah, if you are disagree with the rules and regulations, it's okay. We don't force people to come here. As long as you are okay with our terms and conditions, then we don't have any problem. If you disagree, you better stay in the Philippines, okay? So that you won't give us problem. We don't want later that you will going to demand us about all these things, because in our initial interview, we already inform you about all these things and we want to be specific. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to work in other countries or here in Malaysia. Don't bring what you are doing in the Philippines here in Malaysia. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer. You need to respect the culture. Any problems or any concerns, you inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you
And
so
get
much and have a good day.